In this video, I'll show you how to order on Temu using a PC or laptop step by step. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to temu.com. Log into your account if you already have one, or sign up if you're new. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the homepage where you can browse different categories and deals. Find the product you want to buy and click on it to view more details. On the product page, you can check the price, product description, ratings, reviews, and shipping information. After reviewing the details, click the Add to Cart button and select the required options, such as size, color, or quantity. Then click Add to Cart again to confirm. If you'd like to continue shopping, you can add more items to your cart. When you're ready to place your order, click the cart icon at the top right corner of the page. Review your selected items and make sure everything is correct. Then click the Checkout button. On the checkout page, enter your shipping address and choose your preferred shipping method. Next, select a payment method, such as a credit or debit card or any other available option, and carefully enter your payment details. Finally, review your order summary and click the Order and Pay button to complete your purchase. Once your payment is successful, your order will be confirmed and you'll receive updates about shipping and delivery. And that's it.